Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I do this shimmery beautiful long set. So I double tipped this because apparently I do not have any long nail tips and I've been wanting to do a long set without having to sculpt it out. So I've prepped her nails already and I'm just going to very quickly show you how I double tip these. Okay, so very quickly about her nails, they are not infected or anything like that. She just has a very in-depth smile line on like 2 fingers, so there's like nothing to worry about. Now I'm double tipping for the first time, so I decided to like trim down the nails a bit before applying the second tip, and then the second tip I applied on each nail was the exact same size, just so that when I trim off the edges, they sort of blend into each other. I struggled a bit doing it for the first hand, but it was easy breezy on the second hand. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my straight edge cutter to clip off the edges and take down the sides, and then I'm going to file these nails off camera and come back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so we're back and I'm just applying primer on all of our natural nails so that we can begin application. So I wanted to show you guys like a step-by-step, that's what I'll call it, like a step-by-step application process. I'm picking up my first bead and I'm just going to place that on her nail, and I picked up quite a large bead, so I'm going to try to push it up as far as I think it can go, and then I'm going to start feathering that all the way down to the free edge. And my second bead would be much smaller than the first, but just enough to fill in that cuticle and form a very nice apex. One of the issues I think I had with double tipping the way I did was the fact that one nail was a little higher than the other, and that's because like the nails I use, the tips I use, do not exactly have like a contact area, so there's no it's not very thin towards the cuticle place. All right, so what I think is that if you're going to do this method, if you're going to double tip, use tips that have contact areas, just so that that blend would be there, like you'd have a nice blend or transition from one tip to another. And then basically on the sides, your side walls would be, you won't have like gaps in between. You'd see what I'm talking about like later on when I'm done with these nails. On this finger, I swirled up some glitter powder and milk white, and then randomly just placed gold shards and encapsulated in clear powder. And this glitter powder was actually self-mixed from 2 glitter pigments, white and clear powder. I'll drop a video very soon of how I do that. Okay, so I'm just going to let you guys watch what I do. I practically do the same thing on each finger, or at least like I repeat the same things on each finger, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm about to file these nails. We are done with the application, and I want to show you guys a clip of how I file one finger, and I'll do the rest of camera. So I'm going to go do the side walls first and then try to get that straight. And I went underneath the nail. I don't know if you guys saw, but there was like a bump or like a gap in between the nail. Yeah, that's what I was talking about concerning the double tipping, and that one finger one tip was higher than the other. So yeah, I went over that with my file, with my e-file as well, but I'm going over the cuticles, and then I'll do the body of the nail and try to get everything filed properly. After which, when I'm done, I'm going to apply some rhinestones and then finally top coat. I think I didn't show the part where I applied top coat, but I was really trying to keep this video as short as possible and majorly concentrating on my application and double tipping. So yeah. Guys, we are finally done. This is the final result. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, be blessed, subscribe, you guys. Thank you all, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.